So guys, in this cold weather, and not only in cold weather, please allow your engine to run for a minute or so. When I see some people, oh, shut up. So someone will just walk into his car early in the morning, turn it on, and within a microsecond the gear is in reverse or drive. I mean, that's not cool. That's not cool for your car, because what happens, especially in this cold weather, the engine gets really cold, and so the engine oil inside also becomes really cold, and it's difficult for that engine oil to move around the engine. So it's very important, guys, that you allow your engine to run for a bit. And actually, if you give it some time, you'll notice that the engine rev itself, just to make sure that it gets the temperature up. And as for this car, for example, I usually wait for a temperature gauge to come up here. So when the temperature gauge reads, then I'm quite sure then that the engine has warmed up appropriately. And guys, these are the small hacks and tricks that make your engine last longer and improves the quality of your drive and your experience with your car. So please observe that. Please be patient. Awesome. Stop, get away. Guys, there's something called PTI. PTI means pre-trip inspection. So if we go on a long journey, and usually regularly, you're supposed to do a pre-trip. Okay, nice. So a pre-trip involve a few things. So you're supposed to check how the wheels are, the general condition of the wheels, which look good, amazing. And then you come here under the hood. Where are you? Can't reach it. Okay. Once you're here, awesome. Okay, all right. So while doing a pre-trip inspection, there are a few things that you should check out here. First of all, you can notice how this cabin is clean, and this is how your car should be, because when the cabin is this clean, you're able to see small details, especially these cables here. These coolant cables, they often wear out, and you might miss out on a leaking coolant cable. So it's very important to keep your cabin clean. Awesome. So the first thing you should check is your coolant. Where is our coolant? And guys, this will it will be different in different cars, and I can see that the coolant here is low. Yeah, so we need to buy some coolant. See, now if you miss out on this coolant, manze, your car will heat up. Gari yako itachemka, mambo itachemka. And mambo ikichemka, your engine can easily wear out very fast. You can even knock your engine. So check your coolant regularly. Always check your engine oil as regular as possible. Shut up. Engine oil, check. Although we need to add some, but I think it's good. It's okay. Something else. So this is the brake fluid, and the brake fluid can help you determine how good your brakes are. It should be at maximum, and of course, you know, the brake fluid is the hydraulic. Ukikanyanga brakes, when you press on the brakes there, the hydraulics push the brake pads on the wheel, so we should add some more there. Awesome. So that's generally it. You can also check the transmission fluid, although I know this one is good. Regularly service your transmission fluid, especially after around 10,000 kilometers. Uplate your fluid right there. Amazing. So everything else is Gucci and good to go. If you own a dog, you know that car scratches are inevitable, and that's why I have this liquid right here that is used to polish. It's so nice. Yeah, you can use it to polish your car. I'll do a detailed video using this. Stay tuned. Tunataka coolant. Ziko wapi?
Yes, extend.
Hizi nini?
Hizi ni za
sawa. Hakuna ndogo? Yeah, so guys, we just got to Kinangop, specifically Engineer Town, and apparently it's not cold. It's actually very sunny. Surprising. Expected a lot of cold in this weather, but everything is Gucci. You can see how the sun is shining on me. Yeah, now we are heading to Nairobi. So we're going to see my grandparents. They're not feeling well, so yeah, should be a good trip, and I'm I'm quite sure they'll enjoy seeing us. Awesome. See ya in Canairo.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah.